I'm Katie and welcome to Vibe Feature Fridays. Today I'm going to take you through one of my favorite features, our AI text corrector. This feature is a great option for anybody on your team that maybe doesn't have the best handwriting, as Vibe is going to take your handwriting and convert it over into text. To access that feature, you're going to select from the toolbar the icon right here with the A+, and then you simply just start writing. As long as it's close enough to a real letter, Vibe is going to convert that over into text. Then if you do a long press, you can resize this text box, make any adjustments, you can edit, you can also adjust the color, and you can even duplicate that text if you want to paste it somewhere else on the board as well. That's it for Feature Friday. Thanks so much for tuning in and hope you have a great week.